How to fix Instagram grid photo on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps where you can find all your apps that you have in your phone. And again you will search for Instagram. As you see, this is my Instagram, and what you can do right now, just you will click on storage and we'll go to clear data. You will click on clear data and click OK, and it will fix your problem. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.